Hello, my name is Sean Reardon. This is my video for the Assemblies question, and this is just the SolidWorks file I've made for it. This shows the question itself after the sectional view is cut out of it, but you can move up the design tree to see how the question looks. The question in the book was incorrectly drawn, so this is my interpretation of what it would look like, as there was additional lines there, and I assumed that this round section was intentionally to be a countersink, but it would be impossible to create that effect with the drawing shown. So this is my interpretation of it. It has the filleted into the back, the boreholes 10 diameter drilled through and an 18 diameter ring around them, and the hole to the top with a 30-degree angle on the base. So I can change the view to make it, and you can see the angle there of 30 degrees is down to 20, and you can see the fillets and all the way through, and see the side view of it then. This is what the side view looks like. And change this back. So, and then we do the cut view. So the cut view, sectional view like this, plan. So how I created that was by drawing a line and choosing which direction the line is going to cut in. So it's very similar to the cut section. Rather than having a plane, I just drew this line. So I can exit that and it'll show this. And I have a crosshatch on the surface that it was cut through. I did this by going into my appearances, adding a color to the surface, changing that. So I went here, rather than adding a decal, because I don't like decals because it gives a stretched image. So I did this. I go advanced, browse. I go down here to change it to a PNG or a JPEG, whatever image file you have. So I think mine was a JPEG. Click that, open it, and then SolidWorks will ask you to save it as an appearance file, which is very handy to have for a later reference. You save, it's already there, so let's save over it. And you see that it's very, very fine cross-hatching if I zoom in more. So you can just adjust the degree of fineness you want. This method works better if you have a large surface. So this is a very small surface, but if you have like a sheet that's about 2 meters wide, the pattern will repeat itself rather than the pattern being stretched out over that large distance. So this is my preferred method of doing that, and it works out well because it goes through all the panels in one go rather than having to add a decal to all of them. Okay, thank you for watching.